Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the crypto analysis. So these are the graphs, these are the forecast graphs, and these are the complete project folder. This is the requirement file which you have to install all those library with that particular version. Okay, so let's open the terminal. Streamlit run space app.py. Okay, and hit enter. So it will open in the browser. Okay, it will open the dashboard. Like you can see data preview. It will show all the crypto with that particular date, and let's open the grouping. So it will show the final clusters. Click on the correlation. It will show the negative and positive correlation. It will give the analysis of all the crypto. Let's click on the EDA. It will show the graph, like price distribution graph, price distribution of BTC, Earn Finance, price distribution, Bitcoin Cash, and these are all the graphs, distribution of prices. Like, so these are the graph, exploratory data analysis, and these are ML models. You can select any ML model, BTC, VFI, BCH. Okay, these are stock graph, and these are the training signals for 1 month, 2 weeks, next week. Okay, and this is the code collab file, and you can just scroll down and you can run one by one cell, so it will give the output. Okay, in that first or second line we are just importing the libraries. Okay, let's open the dataset file, CSV file, crypto list. It contains multiple column and rows. Let's close it. And these are the graphs. Let's open one by one. ARIMA model prediction, BCH price prediction, BCH price prediction, ARIMA model prediction. Okay, so these all are the graph. It will show the actual price and predicted price with the two different colors. Okay, price distribution of different graphs and volatility in crypto prices. Okay, using Wi-Fi price prediction using linear regression. So this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.